tere tulemast tagasi minu kanalile ning tänases videos tutvustan ma teile siis oma taktikaid, millega ma saavutasin Gold 2. Tiim oli siis Nick Pope, Semedo, Gomez, Eder Militao, Mendy, Valverde, Allan, Rashford, Rafinha, Fati, Dembele. Ja kaks mängijat, ütleme nii, kolm mängijat, kes seal tiimis väga silma jäid, oli mul ikkagi siis Dembele, 71 mängu, 72 väravat, 33 assisti. Rashford, 34 mängu, 30 väravat, 13 assisti. Ja kaitsefaasis Valverde oli lihtsalt igal pool väga hea. Ja sama on ka Joe Gomezega, lihtsalt väga soliidne keskkaitsja. Aga taktika, mida ma kasutan, siis on põhimõtteliselt kasutan 4-2-3-1 ja 4-4-2. 4-2-3-1 on siis minu algusformatsioon, millega ma alustan tavaliselt mängu ja mängin siis pressure on heavy touch, fifth on viiel, depth on natuke kõrgem, siin nagu eriti vahet ei ole, kui palju sa tahad see olla, mul on kõrge 6 peal ja offensive on balance, fifth jällegi klassika 5, players in box 4, kuna kiirrünnakud on, kontrad on hästi head praegu FIFAs. Corners on 2 peal ja sama on ka free kicks. Mängin Rashfordi tipus ja Dembele on keskel kämmil põhjusega, ta on 5-5. Ehk siis tal on Mr. Feegfoot, mis teeb ta etteaimamatuks. Pluss ta on veel kõrge driblinguga. Ja instruction'id tal on siis striker on stay forward. Keskmine kämmil ei ole mitte midagi. Vasakul ja paremal pool kämmidel on get into box for crosses, kuna senderdused on selles FIFA suhteliselt OP-d. CDM-idel on siis stay back while attacking ja cover center mõlemal, sest et tugev kaitse oleks lihtsalt selle vastas hea. Vasakul paremal kaitsel on stay back while attacking ka. Ja teine formatsioon, millega ma mängin, on 4-4-2. Seda kasutan juhul, kui olen läinud maha 2-1-3 70 minutil ja mul on väga väravat vaja. Balance 5-4, offensive fast build-up 5-4-2-2. Ja siin on siis ääreasjad jällegi stay back while attacking. CDM-id on stay back while attacking ja cover center on ühel neist. Teine, kes on rohkem ründavam, on balance attack ja cover center. Äärte peal on cut inside, get in behind ja get into box for crosses. Sama ka vasaku äärega. Ja ründajad on kõik tavalise asja peal. Aga näitaks selle kiiresti ka gameplay'd selle formatsiooni 4-2-3-1-ga.
From the FUT Weekend League, well, a meaty challenge early in this game. Will the referee reach for his pocket? We've barely got started and already a yellow card. Now, will that be potentially problematic for player and official?
Well, it will be, because the player's on the tightrope now. He's now thinking about everything that goes in front of him.
And there to intervene. Tremendous challenge. Richarlison. It has gone over the touchline for what will be a throw-in. Will doubtless be keeping a close eye on Rodrigo, given his overall ability. Lee, what do you think we'll see from him today?
Well, virtually everything. Quick feet, quick mind, sees the pass before anybody else. So difficult to stop a player like that.
Must take the lead here. That is a tackle and a half. A bit sloppy in possession. And the defending not the best here. Must score. And it touch on the way through, hence a corner. And firing it into the area. Not away completely. Van de Beek. An alert piece of defending. Rashford. It's a good-looking Saints move, this. Perfectly positioned to take it away. Spot on with that tackle. Rodrigo. Not a poor ball, giving possession back to the opposition. An incisive pass. He had just the goalkeeper to beat. He's got it completely wrongly.
Well, he won't be watching that when he gets home tonight on a replay.
It is to be a throw-in. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. Ansu Fati. Rashford. Well, the attack promising as it was. Scuppered there. Not too fussy in clearing his lines. Dembele. Well, this is not ideal for him. He was booked earlier. Second bookable offence. 2 yellows equal 1 red.
Well, you've got to use your brain, Derek. You're on a booking. You do not make a challenge like that.
And the goalkeeper not offering any scraps that time. Wants to attack from the wide areas. Rodrigo! Well, he had designs on a double, but the goalkeeper wasn't having it.
Well, he did better than the first time, the goalkeeper. What a save that is.
The end product just wasn't there. Valverde. Mendy has it. Well, the counter chance looks very real. Saints unable to retain possession.
The hosts really haven't had too much of the ball, but to their credit, they've been absolutely blistering on the counter-attack. They just sit back, hit you on the break, and it's really working for this team.
Oh, is he going to be punished here? Oh, surely! And a powerful effort, but just lacking accuracy.
Yeah, narrowly wide, Derek. Decent effort, he smashed it.
Read it magnificently and intercepted. Rashford. There to take it away. Rashford. Well, unable to bend his run. Offside. And a move of real promise from the Saints. Valverde. Dembele. He's going forward well here. This could be the equaliser. And it is the equaliser. Well, now, that could be a huge turning point in this game. They carry the momentum. Well, the earlier goal cancelled out. One apiece. Oh, a lovely ball. Can he finish this? That is a moment he would dearly love to have back, if possible.
Yeah, it wasn't his best effort,
to a phenomenal first half performance. So the ball is rolling once more, and the Saints behind. Will they be able to turn this game around? Adama. It's with Joao Cancelo. Rodrigo. An authoritative challenge. Can they hit on the break? Well, it looked highly promising, but it came to nothing in the end. Rodrigo. Lovely ball over the top. And the flag raised. Offside it is. Going well. Promising looking ball. That is how to put in a challenge. He's been a bit unlucky to concede the corner. Fired over by Ousmane Dembele. And he took care of it defensively. Surely! Putting his body on the line. Adama. Take it away. Felipe Anderson. Potential danger here. And in the end, he's run out of space. And they did have the ball, but not anymore. Van de Beek. Rodrigo. Must score! Can they slot it home? Crossing high, and they have the ball again. Mbappe. Well, that is a defender's job to come to the rescue. A good-looking move. And 30 minutes left for play in this match. Now can they make something happen? It leads an accurate cross. Sends it back. And it was a very good-looking move, but alas, no end product. And given away. Rashford in the middle. Opportunity in the air, but he's made a bit of a mess of that one.
Oh, it's really a shocking effort. I could do better than that, and I can't head the ball.
Opportunity in the wide area. And a throw-in forthcoming. And space available inside. Van de Beek. And the assistant referee
siin läksime siis 3-2 juhtima ja nimelt mäng oli suhteliselt tegelikult oli tasavägine mäng. Kas vastane oli nii hea kui mina, sellega ma pigem ei nõustu. Pigem oli see, et mis juhtus sellise, ma hakkasin rohkem mängima tema järgi, mis ei tohi juhtuda tegelikult. Aga asi nagu, mida selles mängus oli näha see, et number 1 kasuta tackle'it ainult siis, kui sa oled kindel, et sellest viga ei tule, sest et nagu näha, ta 2 korda tegi Allaniga tackle'it, mõlemad korrad olid kollesed kaardid ja nii ta jäi vähemusse. Ning mitte kunagi ei tohi kiirustada lihtsalt. Ja see oligi siis mu viimane mäng tegelikult. Siin on ta veel võimalus tõusta isegi. Väga hea kaitse mendi poolt otseses mõttes. Ja minu plaan selles mängu vist isegi olnud, kuna ma oli küll vist selles mängus, et saada pall kätte ja minna nurgalipu juurde aega raiskama. Siin tal on võimalus tõusta, aga minu õnneks ta tegi ise ühe valet sõidu siin kohe. Ei teinud ka. Vot siin oli ta reaalne võimalus. Aga nagu näha, siis ma liigutasin väravast taha posti, kuna paljudel meeldib taha posti palli lüüa. Ja siis mõtlesingi, et mis mul kaodat on. Kui ta ette posti lööb, siis las ta lööb sinna, siis tavaliselt nagu kõik on harjunud taha posti lööma. Et õnneks ei lööngi ette posti. Siin tal jällegi võimalus tõusta. Ilus täpne vahetus komese peale ja see oligi nagu mängu viimane hetk. Siin sai tegelikult ühe kiire veel teha. Jooksin ise mängijale otsa, aga see oligi siis minu mäng. Ja sain kätte nüüd 3-2, järgmine nädal proovib 3-1 hetke like ja suukuid ja video.